In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error message, "Your input can't be opened" in VLC Media Player, step by step. This is one of the most common VLC errors, and it usually happens when VLC can't access the file path is too long, or the format isn't supported. The good news is, in most cases, you can fix this in just a few minutes without reinstalling anything. I'll walk you through simple and practical solutions that work on most Windows systems. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is move and rename the video file. This sounds simple, but it fixes the problem more often than you might expect. Locate the video file that's giving you the error, right-click on it and copy it. Now go to your desktop and paste the file there. Once it's on your desktop, right-click the file again and choose Rename. Rename it to something very short, like video.mp4. The reason this works is because VLC can sometimes struggle with very long file paths or special characters in folder names. After renaming the file, double-click it or open it directly with VLC and see if it plays. If it does, then you've already fixed the issue. If not, don't worry, let's move on to the next step. The second step is to check file permissions on Windows. Sometimes VLC simply doesn't have permission to access the file, especially if it came from another computer, an external drive, or a download. Right-click the video file and click Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Security tab. Here, click on Edit to change permissions. Next, click Add. In the box that appears, type Administrator, then click Check Names and press OK. You should now see Administrator added to the list. Click on Administrator, and in the Permissions section below, make sure Allow is checked for full control. Click Apply, then OK. After that, go back into Edit one more time, select Administrator again, and double-check that none of the Deny boxes are checked. Deny permissions will override everything and can block VLC completely. Once that's done, close all the windows and try opening the video in VLC again. For many people, this step alone fixes the "Your input can't be opened" error. Now let's move on to the third and final step, which is checking the file format. VLC supports a lot of formats, but not every single one, and sometimes files are mislabeled. Right-click the video file and look at the file extension at the end of the name, like .mp4, .avi, or .mkv. Make sure it's a format that VLC supports. If the format looks unusual, or if the file still won't open, the file may be encoded in a way VLC can't read. In that case, use a trusted video converter to convert the file to a standard format like MP4. After converting, try opening the new file in VLC Media Player. In most cases, this will solve the issue immediately. And that's it. By moving and renaming the file, fixing permissions, and checking the file format, you can resolve the "Your input can't be opened" error in VLC Media Player without reinstalling or changing advanced settings. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and simple software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.